In this video, I'm going to show you how to add voice in Higgsfield AI. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to go to video up top, and then if you want to add voice to, for example, your characters, your video, you can go ahead and just click on Lip Sync Studio over here, and that's going to be one of the easiest ways to do so. Now, of course, you do have other parts where you can go ahead and do it. You could actually just generate general AI videos, and with that, you could also add in different voices, but the easiest way to add voice to an image is via this, basically the Lip Sync Studio. Now in here, the first thing you want to do is just basically select whatever you want to achieve. Up here, you want to click on change, and it's going to allow you to basically select any of these kind of templates. Okay, so let's say for this instance, I just want the general one over here, which is this one. And then here you can select your image. You can upload the image here and do whatever. I have a separate tutorial on how to use this. But if you want to add your own voice, you want to go to not audio text over here, but generate audio, and then click on that here. And it's going to allow you to actually upload your own voice by uploading a file or dragging and dropping it over here. As you can see, MP3, WAV, and up to 100 megabytes are supported. Or you could also add voice if you generate it yourself by clicking over here. You can select any of these voices available over here. You can even load more if you want to, and then just type in your text, and it's going to basically generate that specific voice, and you can then add that voice to your character, complete all the prompting and stuff like that, click on generate, and your video is going to be generated, and it's going to look something like this. So if I play this right now,
hey there, please subscribe for more tutorials.
There we go. So as you can see, I've successfully added the voice to this man over here, which was before just a still image. And yeah, that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.